Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another recipe which is Tulo Momo or Big Momo recipe. Compared to regular size momo, this momo is really big and the taste is really yummy. So let's get started. To prepare a big momo, first thing I'm gonna prepare stuffing for momo. So for that, in a mixing bowl, I'm gonna add 1 lb ground chicken or keema. Then I'm gonna add 1 cup of finely chopped onion. Next, add 1/3 cup finely chopped ginger and garlic. And I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Next, add 1 cup of finely chopped cabbage. Cabbage is optional. Add 1 tablespoon of oil or butter. Next, add 2 tablespoons of momo masala. And add salt as per the taste. Then mix it well. Now our momo stuffing is ready, and next I have this momo dough which I have already made and I have kept this for half an hour. If you want the recipe for how to make momo dough, I have shared the recipe in the description box. So I'm gonna make the wrappers. So for that, here I have taken this size dough. So now I'm gonna roll this. I'm gonna add a little bit dry flour so it's easy to roll. Now my wrapper is ready and it is almost the size of a small chapati, small roti. So now I'm gonna add this keema. Keema also you need to add a little bit extra. Then give a shape. Basically in big momo, the round shape will be good. So now our big momo is ready. I'll keep in the steamer. By following the same process, I'm gonna make another one. In this steamer, only 3 big momos can fit. I'm gonna steam this for 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our big momo is ready. Now our big momo is ready to be served. And I have served this with spicy momo chutney. If you want the recipe for momo chutney, I have shared the recipe in a description box.
Let's see it. I'm gonna dip it.
It's really big, right?
Yummy. Wow. Yummy, yummy.
I hope you guys like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me your feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.